Welcome. In this quick guide, I'll show how to turn on dark mode on Facebook web using your PC. With Facebook's latest update, the settings have shifted slightly, but don't worry, it's still very easy once you know where to look. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and go to facebook.com. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access your settings. Once you're on the Facebook homepage, look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile photo there. Click on it to open a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, find and click on Display and Accessibility. This section is where Facebook groups together options that affect how the platform looks and feels. After that, you'll be taken into another menu. Here, click on Accessibility Settings. This might sound a bit unexpected, but Facebook has recently reorganized where display options are located. Next, select Display. This is the section where you can control visual preferences like themes and appearance. Now look for the dark mode option. You'll see choices such as on, off, or sometimes automatic depending on your system settings. To enable dark mode, simply choose on, and that's it. Your Facebook interface will instantly switch to a darker theme, which is easier on the eyes, especially in low-light environments, and can even help reduce screen fatigue during long browsing sessions. If you ever want to switch back, just follow the same steps and select off instead. That's how you turn on dark mode on Facebook web using your PC with the latest update. Quick, simple, and definitely worth it.